Yeah, amazing installation of door. This is Wabili Concepts. You're welcome to another video. Today, guys, I want to show you our current job at this site. This is installation of HDF wooden door. This is the kind of door for interior design. We use this door for both the toilets and the kitchen and all the rooms. So you can let me show you the finishing of this project. This project is very classic, luxury. The door design was selected, and the process we use to achieve this amazing finishing design is that we recommended a good subframe. The subframe was constructed on the wall. Then after the total finishes of the whole project, after tiling, then installation of this HDF door is introduced. Firstly, we're doing the installation. What you will have to do first is to come and take measurement. Whenever you want to do a wooden door or you want to make an interior wooden door for your homes, for you to achieve a good finish, you have to allow the the technician or the furniture in charge to take the measurement. This will give you a perfect finish because if you do not take the measurement of what you are buying, you will end up cutting your door, and as you are cutting it, you are defading the design of the door. So if you have a good perfect measurement, this will give you best finishes. You don't need to cut any part of the door. It will just fit in the way it is measured. So I'll be showing around to see the amazing finish of this project. Yeah, this is HDF wooden door, interior door design. In fact, this is classic and luxury. So this one installation is still on. Installation is still on here. You can see this. This is amazing. This is amazing. Wow. This is Wabili Concept, your trusted platform for your project in Nigeria. If you don't have any problem with us, this is Wabili Concept. Pay your money and get your goods delivered. This is interior door design, HDF wooden door design. This is what we are doing here today, installation of HDF wooden door. HDF wooden door is a kind of interior design that can build, it creates like a furniture effect of the whole interior effect of the house. So when you're dying to do a project like this, and the advantages of this door is that it can be achieved at your convenient time. Another advantage is that it can be done in stages. If you have opportunity, like if you are doing like 10 doors, you can be doing it as you are earning, or you can make it easy for you. Like if you have 10 doors, you can be doing, okay, let me do two, let me do three, let me do four, because the finishing is always very, very good, and it gives a beautiful outcome of your whole interior project. So what we are doing here is installation of a HDF wooden door. This HDF wooden door has stages in production, has stages in installation, and before you install, it is highly recommended to take measurements, because if you don't take measurement, you will not have a good finishes as we are looking at here. The finishes we have here is what will give us the joy of installing this door. If assuming we are bringing this door on a standard design, we have general standard door design, which is the 3 feet by 7 feet, and the 3 feet is about 36 inches, 7 feet is about 82 to 83 inches. But some construction, we have a little differences, the differences of like 2, 3 or 4 inches. So if you have a door that you are bringing that have the same standard measurement, that means it will not fit in with your own. So there is no how you can get the perfect measurement. So before you install this door, what you need to do is that try, even I charge to come and take measurement, but if I depends on the kind of business transaction I'm with the person, you take the measurement, you take it to the company, then you get your door in a perfect by Wabili concept. So guys, this is Wabili concept. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And also, if you have a project in Nigeria, our platform is not for fraud. We are trusted. We are trusted and reliable. We have recommendation. So much recommendation is really coming in. Even the pressure on our job, we are building a team that, but when you are building a team, you build a team that are trustworthy, build a team that are professional in their business, and we build a team such that they take any part of the job as their personal job. There is no job being given to me that I will not get to the site. I have to visit and check if there is any error. I prefer myself to see the error than the client to see the error. So guys, this is Wabili Concept TV. Don't forget, you are welcome back to this field of interior design. So here we are putting wooden door. You can see it has been screeded. Most of the finishes have been done. So if you finish your whole project, you don't want to put door immediately, you can be putting it stages after stages. So here we have the visitor's toilet. We are putting this frame on the wall already. So we just add the door, the frame is coming in, then the door and the architrave. We have it here. This is the door, this is the frame, and the architrave is like this. So it is the furniture, the professional that will install them. So we are good to go. We have another door here. This is another door. This is another kitchen door. This is Wabili interior door design.